a look at a couple databases we have available for you to use. To get to the databases, you're going to go to About Our School, Media Center, and the Research page. Let's start with Explora. Remember, Explora is a database that gives us lots of information about current events. When you get to this page, make sure that you click the logo in order to actually open the database. Because we are using this database through the Mid-Continent Library, it will also ask you to sign in with your S number. So you would need to go ahead and put in S and your number in order to open the database. I'm already signed in, so I didn't need to do this step. Up here in the search bar is where we're going to enter our search terms. So today I'm going to take a look at cell phone use in schools. In the middle, this gives us all of the different articles, including sometimes videos in the middle there. So what I recommend is you kind of just start at the top and maybe read the summary about the article to see if it's something that's related to your topic. So this says the article presents views of several teachers on whether schools should ban cell phones. If I was doing a research project about this topic, this seems like a fantastic article to use. Okay. If I had too many results, I could go over here to the side and maybe do a filter. For instance, maybe I only want to find articles from the past year, so I would search from 2018 to 2019. Okay, and then that did limit, so I only have 53 results. I'm going to go ahead and use this article. So I'm going to open the link at the top, the title, and then that's going to actually open the article. So this is what you would read and start taking notes on to get information for your research project. Okay. Over here on the side, these are our different tools that we have available. So if you click the Google Drive button, you should be able to save an article to Google. You could also print it or email it if you needed to do that. And then when you hover over, you see this word cite. This is what you click on in order to create a citation. If you need to tell your teacher where you found your article, this is the information that you would copy and paste. Okay, and then to go back, up here is a results list. You can just click the result list, and then that will take you back to the main page if you want to look for additional articles on your topic. And that's a quick overview of Explora.